This is the Flyability fixed point system, a modular solution built for one purpose: precision in SLAM and LiDAR reference mapping. Each component inside the kit is designed with care, built for accuracy and durability. You'll find a reflective SLAM target, a stable floor stand, and precision adapters for quick and reliable setup. The SLAM target provides a clear, highly visible reference for LiDAR and photogrammetry systems. The floor stand ensures stability on any surface. The adapter connects to tripods or stands using a standardized thread. And the fixed point washer can be permanently installed to guarantee consistent reference positions over time. The adapter mounts the target securely to tripods or supports. Its precise thread ensures stability and perfect alignment. The fixed point washer, on the other hand, is screwed directly into a wall or structure, perfect for repeatable inspections. The floor stand and target connect instantly with a clean, magnetic snap. Tighten the stand with a knob on the side, fast and secure. Once assembled, the target moves freely and stays perfectly aligned. But avoid placing the target completely horizontal, as Faro Connect may have difficulty detecting it accurately in that orientation.